Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, let us continue with the topic working with shapes. MS Word has many ready made shapes. They are called auto shape. Please remember it that the shapes which are available in the MS Word are known as the auto shapes. We can use them to make our document more meaningful and impressive. It means to convey the information in a more attractive way. The various steps to insert a shape are listed below. First, in the Insert tab, click on the Shapes option that is available in the illustration group. Many shapes like line, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars and banners are displayed. Click to choose a shape. Okay, so whichever shape you want to be insert into your MS Word document, you have to select that shape. To insert the shape in the document, click the left mouse button on the place where you want it and the shape will get inserted. Okay, so here you will see that the first step is to go to this icon, to this menu, and then you will see the list of the steps will be displayed. Choose the shape you want, and finally using a left mouse button you have to click to the place where you want this shape to be inserted, and finally the shape will be inserted there. Now, how to place the text in the shape? Now already you have inserted the shape. You want to write anything inside the shape, inside that particular shape. Then how it is possible? So first you have to select the shape of your choice. Then drag the selected shape where you want to place it. Right click on the drawing object. Select Add Text option from the shortcut menu that is available here, and this is an option that is Add Text. Type the text in the object. Okay, so for typing the text you have to right click on the drawing object, and then from there you have to select the option Add Text, and finally start typing the text. Next is formatting a shape. To change, to edit or to modify a shape. A shape already inserted in a document can be formatted also. It can be changed, modified or give some special effects also. To do so, we first double click on the shape and choose the required formatting options from the Format tab that appear. The style of the shape changes. Okay, so you can change the color, you can change the style, you can modify or change the object according to your requirement. So this is how a formatting is possible. Now let us move to the another topic, that is smart art. Smart art is a way of creating a visual presentation of the facts and information. It helps to add several different types of useful diagrams to our document. The idea behind the smart art diagram is a way to change a list with the bullets or numbers into the diagram of interconnected shapes. Okay, so what is a smart art? So a smart art is a visual presentations of the facts and information. It will help you to add different useful diagrams to your document. For example, while preparing a document regarding to science, you require many diagrams to be inserted which relate to your text, which relate to your presentation. Okay, so smart art will allows you to insert different type of useful diagrams to your document. So what is an idea behind developing the smart art? It will change a list with bullets or numbers into the diagram of interconnected shapes. So using various shapes, interconnecting various shapes, you will be able to create a diagram. With smart art we can create list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix and pyramid diagrams. They present the information in different styles. To access the smart art, first we need to click on the Insert tab and then on the Smart Art in the illustration group. A Choose a Smart Art graphic box will appear. We can choose the Smart Art diagram option that we want to insert and then click on the OK button. The diagram will appear in your document. We can add labels to it by typing in the text area. We click outside the box to complete our smart art. Okay, so these are the steps given here. The first step is we have to click on the Insert tab that is available here. This is the Insert tab, and then you have to go to the Smart Art in the illustrations group, and then you will see that the list of diagram will be there. You have to select the diagram which you want, and again left click using a mouse in the file or in the document where you want to place your diagram, and you will see that here your diagram will be inserted. So this is how you can add a smart art. Now let us move towards the keywords. Clip art, a graphic that can be used to illustrate a document. Smart art, a way of creating a visual presentation of facts and information. Word art, a text styling tool of MS Word. Okay, so here we are finishing our chapter with this. You have to write these keywords in your computer notebook. The exercises like filling the blanks, choose the correct, that all exercises you have to write in your computer textbook, while the descriptive exercises you have to write in your computer notebook. Again I repeat, exercise A and exercise E you have to write in your computer textbook, while the keywords exercise B, C and D you have to write in your computer notebook. Okay, so we will continue with our next chapter in our next session. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.